Kenya. An example of a rapidly growing country in Africa is the site of a $150 million investment into Milele, a clean energy company. From 2019 to 2020, solar and wind capacity increased by 13 and 11% respectively. However, in those same years, the use of hydropower grew a huge 25%. From 2011 to 2020, Africa's output was 108 gigawatts, and only 25 came from renewables. Africa's abundance of sun, rivers, waterfalls, and wind makes it a suited place for countless hydro-renewable projects. One of the largest projects in the world is the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. The dam, costing close to $5 billion, will have a planned capacity of 5.15 gigawatts. All of the energy generated by the dam will be routed into the national power grid of Ethiopia, lifting many areas into a renaissance themselves. The benefits don't stop there. If there is a surplus in energy, this can be exported to other economies, and the dam itself could even become a tourist destination. However, there is a different side to this. The Nile runs through 11 countries, 2 of them being Egypt and Sudan, the only 2 downstream from Ethiopia. Egypt's concern is that the dam would result in a permanent reduction in their water supply due to evaporation from the reservoir. Tension is still very high between the 2 countries' officials since construction of the Great Ethiopian Renaissance Dam commenced in 2011. China has been a major catalyst of not just the GERD, but many other hydro infrastructure projects in the past 15 years in Africa, having put up around $1 billion in financing for the Great Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. Since 2000, it is estimated that Chinese banks and construction companies have had an interest in over 53 hydropower projects in Africa. Hydropower accounts for 17% of the electricity generation on average from all African countries. However, in some countries containing lakes such as Uganda or waterfalls like Malawi, this can rise to up to 80%. By 2040, it's expected that Africa's demand for electricity will triple. Investment in the power sector will need to be at $100 billion per annum until then to meet that demand. It is clear that hydropower can't solve every problem, but only coupled with other renewable means of energy can Africa sustain a future. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe to Habari Tech, your hub for African economics. Thank you.